Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Pooja Upadhyay from Department of Advanced Management Studies, GS College of Commerce, Wardha. In my previous video session, I have started the concept of audience profiling and audience segmentation. There, we discussed the concept of audience profiling in detail. In this video session, we are going to see the meaning and the importance and the various reasons behind the importance of audience segmentation. So let's start. Basically, audience segmentation is simply a process of dividing audiences into homogeneous subgroups having unique characteristics. In the session while discussing related to audience profiling, we have seen that marketers identifies the characteristics of customers under the action of audience profiling. These characteristics are bifurcated into various segments under the process of audience segmentation. On the basis of this segmentation, marketer identifies or marketer communicate with customer depending upon the particular characteristic of customer. This market audience segmentation plays very important role from the perspective of marketer as well as businessman. So, what must be the reasons due to which this marketing segmentation has that much value? Let's discuss. The first reason is it provides personalized treatment to the customers. As marketers identifies the basic characteristic of customer, they can provide personalized treatment to the customer so that customer will impressed and want to buy particular product or service. The next reason is it overcome competitors. As marketers personally communicate with customers, they try to fulfill the needs and wants of customers and try to establish a good relationship with them. So the customers are automatically impressed by the marketers and try and buy the particular product or service. So this helps marketers to establish or to sustain in strong competitive market. The next reason is it builds meaningful relationship with customer. We all know that customer relationship management plays very important role from the perspective of marketer or business. So, by giving personalized treatment to the customers, automatically the bond between marketer or business and the customer becomes strong, which provides and which builds the meaningful and effective relationships between this brand and customer. Here in this with this diagram, I try to explain the segmentation of audiences depending upon the gender. Here these audiences are classified into women and men. The same is carried out by the marketers in the process of audience segmentation. This audience segmentation takes place in different categories. These all types are explained or written here. Here we can say that the basic segmentation is categorized into three types depending upon the demographic of the customer, depending upon the behavior of customer and some other types. Under the demographic segmentation, the customers are bifurcated or categorized or classified depending upon their age, gender, their location where they are living, their income, their occupation, their culture and their family structures. There are some more characteristics on the basis of which the characteristics comes under demographic segmentation, but these are the main one. So these characteristics are utilized for segmenting customers, and according to the category the customers belongs, marketer implement marketing strategy. On the basis of behavioral segmentation, here the customers are categorized on the basis of the perception of customers related to particular brand or the purchasing behavior of customers. Further, under this category, on the basis of purchasing behavior, on the basis of the benefits related to particular product or services, then on the basis of engagement level of the customer, and on the basis of special occasions, the segmentation of customers is carried out. In the other type of segmentation, the segmentations like which are based on the previous interactions of marketer with customers. Then digital device types means whether the customers are using mobile phones, laptops, computers. On the basis of this they are segmented. Then on the basis of the loyalty of customers and on the basis of satisfaction of customers are bifurcated. So these are all types helps marketers to divide them into special subgroups, and on the basis of the group they belong, marketer implement the marketing strategy. These are all important types or important characteristics which are considered by the marketer. There are some more characteristics on the basis of which customers are segmented, but still you should remember this all. So this is all about this concept of audience segmentation. I hope you understand it. In the next video session, we will going to discuss this concept of internet, the role of internet in digital marketing. Till then, be safe, keep learning. Thank you.